Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder messages deleted. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder messages deleted, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of Tinder and you will enter. Then here in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Tinder. Here you will search about it. When you find your Tinder, you can click update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.